I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious cookies. We'll start with 70 grams of unsalted vegan butter. It shouldn't be melted, but it should be soft. Add it into your bowl. Add 1 cup of brown sugar and mix them together. You can use an electric mixer, but a whisk will work as well. Now add 1/4 of a cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. Mix them well until the sugar is dissolved. It's not looking great at this point, to be honest, but trust me, it's gonna be alright. Now the star of the show, soy pulp, aka okara. Every time I make soy milk, I keep the pulps in the freezer and use them for different purposes. You need 1.5 cup of pulps. If you are making plant-based milk at home, you probably have some leftover pulps. You can use them. Mix them well. And now add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix until everything is well combined. Mix in 1/2 cup of raisins. You can replace it with chocolate chips or walnuts or whatever you like. Now it's time to shape the cookies. Take about 1 tablespoon of the dough, shape it into a small cookie, and place it in your oven tray. As you can see, the dough is not sticky at all. It's really soft and easy to work with. This will give you about 12 to 15 cookies. Top your cookies with some more raisins. This part is optional but highly recommended. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until they are nicely golden. And here is the final product. They are nice and crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Nusha Jan.